So in the previous class, you have learnt about what animals eat. Based on that, you got to know that animals, depending on their food, they are being categorized into herbivore, carnivore, and omnivore. I have already explained this. Please look at the video now.
In this module, you will learn about animals and their food. What do animals eat? Animals eat plants and other animals for their food.
So what animals eat? Animals eat plants and other animals for their food. So those which eat plants are known to be as herbivores, and those which eat animals are known to be as carnivores. If they eat both, they are known to be as omnivore, which I have already explained in the previous class.
Animals are categorized into different groups, namely herbivores, carnivores, omnivores. Let's take a look at each of these categories of animals. What are herbivores? Animal species that eat only plants or plant products are called herbivores. Examples include cow, buffalo, deer, and elephant.
So which eat only plant are known to be as herbivore. In the picture you can see cow, buffalo, deer, elephant, rabbit. You can take an example for herbivore.
What are carnivores? Carnivores are meat eaters. They eat other animals for their food.
So you can see here the animal which is eating another animal as their food. Okay, so what is this? This is lion. Lion is eating deer. So that is a carnivore. Lion is one animal, deer is another animal. Lion is eating deer. So lion is known to be as a carnivore. Which eat another animal is known to be as a carnivore.
Examples include lion, cheetah, leopard, wolf, fox, and eagle.
So you can look at the examples here. It's been given as lion, cheetah, leopard, wolf, fox, eagle. Which are the other examples? I have told you to collect it and write it as a homework. Might be you have written, I will be asking at the end. Okay, even tiger is also an example for a carnivore.
Are humans considered as carnivores or herbivores?
So are humans considered as carnivores or herbivores? Do we eat only animals? No. Even we are animal. Do we eat only animal? No. We eat plants too. The products of animal we eat different varieties of plants. Edible part of a plant we eat. So are we carnivore or an herbivore? We are neither of them. We are known to be as a omnivore. Yesterday only I told the animals which eat both plants and animals are known to be as omnivore.
Our diet includes both plants and animals. Hence, we are called omnivores. Omnivore is derived from the Latin word omne all, which means devour everything.
So
Some common examples of omnivores are pigs, crows, and humans. However, based on their eating habits, humans can be classified into vegetarians and non-vegetarians. What is a vegetarian diet?
So, few of the humans eat only the products of the plant. So those who eat only the products of plant are known to be as vegetarians. Those who eat both veg and a meat origin of the animal is known to be as a non-vegetarians, or the product of animals are known to be as a non-vegetarian. So what do you mean by a vegetarian diet? What does it include?
Vegetarian diet includes only the plant-based diet.
So it includes only the plant-based diet. Okay, only the substances that are derived from plants. It only includes the substances or the materials derived from the plant.
Cereals, pulses, vegetables, and sometimes even eggs. What is a non-vegetarian diet? A non-vegetarian diet includes
Don't open your
meat,
mouth.
fish, and poultry, along with plant-based products such as cereals, pulses, and vegetables.
So as I told you, non-vegetarians eat both plant-based products and animal-based products. You cannot prepare any non-veg without using the vegetables. Onion is a vegetable. To prepare a non-veg, it is essential to use onion. So onion is from the plant origin. So non-vegetarians eat both plants and also animals. Fine? Okay, students. Okay, clear to all? Clear to all? So this chapter, first chapter is being completed now. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
syllabus is completed. That is food, where does it come from? Okay, we had discussed about everything. We have covered all the topics in that chapter. Once again, I will be telling you what and all we have covered. Take that to your mind and remember everything, revise everything. As soon as I tell that term, you should know the answer in your mind. Okay, we discussed about ingredients first. We discussed about ingredients. So what is ingredient? Who will tell? Raise your hands now. We'll do revision. I have not muted. Someone is telling, ma'am, you have muted. Okay, now I have removed the mute. Ananya, tell me. Be fast, let's do the revision. Ananya.
Ma'am, the items which we will use to prepare a food is called ingredients.
Very good, Ananya. So the items or the substances that are used to prepare a particular dish or a particular food is known to be as a ingredient. Poetry, Vaibhav. Okay, as soon as you tell the answer, you have to mute it. Ananya, mute it now. Poetry, Vaibhav. Unmute it and answer me. Which are the different sources of food? Be fast.
Okay, ma'am.
Vaibhav, should I tell you poetry, Vaibhav?
Animals and plants.
Very good. Animals and plants. Unmute it now. Next, raise your hands. What are the other sources else than plant and animal? What are the other sources else than plant and animal? Okay, Nayas. Unmute and answer.
Ma'am, please tell the question.
You're asking me the question and you're raising the hand before itself. What are the other sources of food else than plant and animal?
Plants and
Other sources than plant and animal. You have seen insects. Okay, Sujata, what is the name? Sujat. Tell me. Honeybee. So what is an honeybee? To which
Insect.
category? It is an insect. Very good. Then one more example. Sujat, tell me. Only one you know?
Water.
Huh?
Water.
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 Who is telling?
Butter.
Jennifer?
Ma'am,
Jennifer? Yeah. Jennifer, tell me. Fish come under animal. Varun Sharma?
Beehive.
Beehive. Okay, he told honey bee, he told insect. One more example we have seen there. In hotels and all you eat. Ananya, tell me. Ananya.
What are the different sources of honey?
Why you people are talking there? What I told, everyone should mute it, or else I will mute you all. I won't ask any question. We won't do revision now. Why? Why? It's enough, no?
It's enough. शरारत कर रही हो तो बाई कर रही हो.
Who is that talking there? Say Kalandar, I am removing you now. Okay, tell me, Ananya.
Ma'am, mushroom.
Mushroom. Okay, very good. Mushroom belongs to fungi.
Ma'am, milk.
Okay, those are the products of animal. Fine. So, what do you mean by edible part of a plant and a non-edible part of a plant? Raise your hand fast. Edible and non-edible. Sinchana, tell me. Sinchana, be fast.
Edible means which we can eat.
Edible means which you can eat. Okay. What about a non-edible?
Which we can.
Which we cannot.
Ma'am, which we cannot see or eat.
See, I don't want mass answers. Whom I am asking, just raise your hands. I will give you chance. Ananya, don't give mass answers. Okay, fine. So next is what did we learn next? So tell me some of the animal products which a person eats. Raise your hands. Who know the answer? Which an organ? Okay, Bhavana. Bhavana, tell me. You have to unmute and answer, Bhavana. Ananya, mute it. Yeah, Bhavana, tell me.
Ma'am, chicken.
Okay, only chicken. Aditya, tell me. Aditya, you have unmuted. You have muted it.
Egg.
Okay, egg. Next.
Ma'am, I will say. Ma'am, meat. Ma'am, milk. Milk. Ma'am, meat.
Milk, meat, egg.
Ma'am, milk and meat.
Only milk and
Butter.
meat.
Ma'am, egg and milk.
Okay, egg and milk. Okay, Ashrita.
Butter.
Okay, stop. Everyone should mute it now. Ashrita.
Ma'am, egg.
Enough now. Ashrita, I'm asking you question.
Ma'am, egg.
Wait, I'm asking you question now. Can you tell me the products of milk?
Ma'am, paneer. Ma'am,
Can you
ma'am, paneer and butter.
Paneer and butter. You like only paneer and butter. There are no other
Miss Nata.
milk. Ashrita, tell me what are the products of milk? What and all you get from milk?
Ma'am, paneer, butter and curd.
Paneer, butter and curd. Okay, very good, Ashrita. Fine. So, based on what plants and animals eat, what are plants known to be as? Varun.
Ma'am, herbivorous which eats only plants are
What are plants known to be as?
Ma'am, plants.
Plants are known to be as what? They prepare their own food. So what are plants
Yes,
known
ma'am.
to be as?
Autotrophs.
It is known to be as autotrophs. Very good. It
Autotrophs.
is known to be as
Ma'am.
autotrophs.
Autotrophs.
Then what do you mean by heterotroph? Raise your hand. Raise your hand. I don't want mass answers. Nagesh? Nagesh,
Depend on other animals.
what I told you, I don't want mass answers. Okay, I won't do revision from now. It's not needed, I guess. Raise your hands. What do you mean by heterotroph? Poetry Vaibhav. Tell. Vaibhav, tell me. Why you are looking here and there?
Plants depend on food.
Heterotrophs. Raise your hand, those who know the answer. Ashrita, tell me. Ashrita, tell me.
Ma'am, which do not make their own food.
Okay, which do not prepare their own food. Then how do they get food?
Ma'am, from the animals.
Only from animals?
Plants, animals.
From plants and animals which depend on plants and animals for their food are known to be as heterotrophs. Okay. Nanya, what do you mean by herbivore? What do you mean?
Ma'am, the animals which eat only plant items, they are called as herbivores.
So the animals which eat only plants are known to be as herbivore. Example,
Herbivore.
any two examples?
Plants or plants product.
Cow and ox.
Cow and ox. Okay, very good. Next.
Buffalo.
Jennifer. Jennifer, what do you mean by carnivore?
I will say.
Jennifer, I'm asking.
Ma'am.
Yeah, Jennifer.
The animals which eat only plant and the animals which eat plants and meat is called animals which eat flesh and meat of other animals is called carnivores.
Okay, the animals which eat plants and the meat of other animals are known to be as a carnivore. Any two example?
Ma'am.
Any two example?
Ma'am, hyena and cheetah.
Okay, good.
Ma'am,
Next,
I will say
Syed Kalandar. What do you mean by omnivore?
the animals which eat both plants and animals, they are called omnivores.
Then what she told? Jennifer, what was the question I asked for you? Carnivore, you told. Plants, you told. It's not plant, it's only animals.
Animal.
Okay. Syed Kalandar, can you give me a few examples for omnivore?
Bear, human, crow.
Very good. Okay. Then what do you mean by decomposer? Decomposer. Who know the answer? Raise your hands fast.
Then decay.
Decomposer. Jennifer? Sorry, don't want. Jennifer, don't want. Jennifer, don't tell. Nagesh HB. You're raising the hand. What? Unmute it and answer me.
The animals that dead and decayed is called decomposer.
So the animals that eat, the organisms that eat dead and decayed organisms is known to be as a decomposer. Fine. Can you give me any one example for that? Yeah.
Plants.
Plants. Okay, microorganisms are the prominent example. Okay, not plants. Microorganism, bacteria, fungi are the prominent examples. Fine. So did you people complete the homework?
Yes, ma'am. That was the resolution.
You have completed
Yes,
the
ma'am.
homework?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. After finishing the class, I will be asking you to
Ma'am.
take the homework. I will be specifying the name and I will be asking you keep it ready. By 10:30, I will ask you to send. Fine?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Go through the chapter once again. Fine? If you have textbook, look into that. And I will be giving you notes. You have to keep 100 pages. I have already told you. Maybe from tomorrow.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, we did not have textbook.
If you don't have, you can come and purchase. If at all it's not there, that's fine. From the notes only you can prepare. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Bye-bye.
Ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Take
Bye,
care.
ma'am.
Bye.
Bye,
Bye,
ma'am.
ma'am. Okay, ma'am.